everybody, my name is Bogi. I am a master mechanic and the owner of 180 Degrees Automotive and one of the hosts of the TV show All Girls Garage. And today I wanted to chat with you a little bit about certifications, what they are, what they mean to you, and why they're important. When you're looking for a repair shop to bring your car to, it's kind of difficult to discern the good ones from the bad ones. And because in our country we don't have any requirements for certifications, there's no legal entity saying that you need to have this certification or that certification in order to work on cars. In fact, my mom could work on cars and she doesn't know how to. There's nothing stopping her from doing it. My nail technician needs more certifications than a mechanic does in this country. It's kind of crazy, but there are voluntary certifications that technicians and shops can do. And so I always recommend when you're looking for a new shop, go in and ask them about their certifications. What kind of continuing education do they do? Do they have ASE certifications? Is their shop ASE certified? Technology in cars is changing on a rapid basis. If you don't keep up, you can get left behind really quickly. So it's important to find a shop that keeps up on their certifications, has certified technicians, and the shop is certified so that you can make sure your car is getting fixed right the first time.